Damodar College is pioneer in the sports as well as in academic. We are doing lot of activities to give the budding athlete the exposure. So Damodar College is on the top organizing the individual as well as team championship in badminton, table tennis, handball, weightlifting, powerlifting, bodybuilding. And last 3 years we are organizing this all Goa intercollegiate running race, mini marathon race. This is the third mini marathon race we are organizing. We had invited all the colleges from all over the Goa in men and women section and in open category. Anybody can participate in men and women section. We want to give the encouragement. There are athlete is a mother of all the games. Athletic is the mother of all the games. If students or the budding children of our Goa is good in athletic, they will be good in other games also. So today's race is of 8 kilometers for men and women. Race will start from Sri Damodar College via Maruti Mandir, Sulabh Toilet, Peda. It will go to the Khareban Road, Khareban Bridge. Then it will go to the Tolaban, Kulwada, Mondo. Then St. Alex Baptist Church, and then we will take turn towards the Peda. From Peda, it will come to the Tolaban. From Tolaban is the same route. That will Khareban, then Sulabh Toilet, Maruti Mandir, and finish at Sri Damodar College.
This is the third intercollegiate road running race being organized by Damodar College. We have quite a few in 4 categories: college boys, college girls, open men, open women. Quite a few entries for the boys, not so many entries for the girls. The race is via Peda going up to Kolba and back. It's like a road running race, and we had with us for the flag of the race, we had an ex-student of the college, Wing Commander Snehal Kamath, who was a BCA student of the first batch of this college.